Okay.
What?
Yeah, we be riding with them slabs on foes. Wood grain gripping candy paint on foes.
Oh shit! I didn't even realize that they had this part right here. All right, we could. I guess we could have sat over here too. I'm surprised Zeus didn't roll up this time. Zeus. Usually he seems like he come out to everything. Oh, you said he said two times. What's going on with the boy at the R7? Is it Ant? You don't use the 8 no more? Yeah, I say you don't. Oh, you got it on the front. I'm about to say you don't use it no more. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, man. I'm just. I'm like, I should have never got rid of my X2, man. I should have just kept it. I didn't have patience for the software, like trying to learn how to. I was just like, man, fuck this shit. I'm getting rid. I was like, I'm going back to GoPro. But now that I'm seeing what they can do, I'm like, yeah, I need one. They do. They have like good quality. I'm sure the 12 looks nice, don't it? 12 is okay. Can you actually hear it? You can hear it fine. See? So that shit does work then. Right? That's good. No, I don't have one yet. That's why I was saying I need to get one. I was like, I need to get one. When I was talking about that Discord shit, I was just like joking. Like, I don't know if it can actually work, but that shit works. See? With Discord, it doesn't matter because you're already on the server. So, and you don't have to worry about if you get split up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could be like, hey, I'm headed home. You're still headed home. Be like, hey, I'm home. You can log off that shit. Yes, sir. Yeah, so gonna head back. Yeah, so what the fellas are gonna do, the fellas heading over, it was last minute. Somebody posted a meet. Somebody posted up a meet that and it was gonna be somewhere across town. It was like for us to get there on the car, it was saying like 30 minutes. And my wife already hit me up and was like, you know, when are you coming home or whatever. And I wasn't planning on going to that. Thought we were just gonna like, you know, hit the highway and just kind of like cruise for a little bit. But they decided they're gonna go. So I'm gonna head home, and then, you know, if the wife doesn't care if I go, then I'll probably get back out. But if not, it ain't a big deal. It was on a really, really nice side of town though, but like I said, it's from like 8 to 11. I was like, what is that slap in my back? My freaking fringes. They're doing a lot of construction over here, and I don't drive over here much during the day, so I'm trying to see where some of these shitty potholes are on the highways. Really hard at night when you're not used to traveling this side of the road or whatever, this part of the area. So I'm trying to just go, just cruise until I get to where I'm familiar, which is right up here. I kind of know what the road condition is. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go back out, man. I would like to. Like I said, I've been trying to do this for a long time. You really want to get some comms now, man. Like, I gave that suggestion to them a couple days ago, and I told them, I was like, hey, because some people have Cena, and most other people have Cardo, and so, or other ones that, those are the two like really popular ones anyway. And so everybody's always like, it sucks because everybody can't talk to everybody, and everybody doesn't have like the really expensive, the Cardo Edge. I think Justin bought that one, bought one yesterday, and was like, he said it was $330, which is nice, but it's like, not everybody got, you have to, an Edge to be able to talk to up to like 15 people. It's silly to still be limited. Like, realistically, you're not going to do that unless you're on like a big group ride or something. But I just told them, I was like, hey, look, if everybody has a comm system, then, if we use Discord, it won't matter. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it won't matter what headset anybody has. Start a server, create a Discord chat, just like we're doing with Instagram. Discord, you have way more abilities and things that you can do. I was like, in Discord, if you just make an audio room, literally all you gotta do is hop in that audio room, in the audio channel. I was like, and if you have your headset on, everybody that's in that room will be able to talk to each other. about like on these group rides, you know, on these group rides when people split off like normal. Most people will split off and do their own thing, or you know, or leave, head home. And it's like once you split away from the pack, you know, once you get a certain distance, that's it. You know, they're disconnected. You won't hear from them anymore. So I was like, well, at least with Discord, if we're around each other and we're in the same channel, when I dip off and I'm like, hey fellas, I gotta go, I don't have to leave the conversation, you know what I'm saying? And then worry about picking up the conversation when I get to a stop or get to wherever I'm going, and I'm able to, you know, look at my phone, you know, or get on Instagram. I don't even know how this video is going to come out because I completely forgot to change the camera back to night vision, my night vision setting, custom settings that I have. Because when I got to the event, when I got to the meet today, it was still very much light outside. Trying to get in front of them right here. What the fuck was that? I know that there's a big ass fucking crater in the road up here. I'm really trying to avoid. Somewhere. Where is it at? There it is. Safe trip so far. Make it home. See the family. See the wife, kids, the dog. And we live to ride another day. That's what it's all about.